This video is step 2 to installing Catalina onto your computer. Many of your computers look like this now that the Catalina install has completed, or the download, excuse me. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to come up to that install and we're going to quit the install. So to get to that, you need to click on, if I click off, it goes away. I need to click on what is downloaded, go up to Install macOS Catalina and quit install. Next, I am going to click on self-service. You can find that on your screen, on your dock, or in your applications folder. Once I click on to self-service, I will scroll down and I see upgrade. So I'm going to click upgrade. I will then click upgrade. It is important that you have your computer plugged in. If you don't have your computer plugged in, you will receive, plugged into a power cord, you will receive a message that looks similar to this. Then, after you press upgrade, your computer will start to go through the process of upgrading and you will get a screen that is similar to this. Please just allow your computer to go through the process, and it may take up to an hour or so for this to happen. Once it is completed, you will log back in and be ready to go.